Shalom, family! Today we are making
curry chicken, peas and rice, cabbage, and plantain.
curry chicken, peas and rice, cabbage, and plantain.
I'm unsubscribing.
Got anything you want to say?
I'm unsubscribing. If you continue in this accent.
Okay. Alright, y'all. No, I'm playing, but today we're making curry chicken, cabbage, peas and rice, and plantain. You hear the accent still there a little bit? Mm-hmm. It's natural. It comes to me.
Okay.
Okay, so right now Mom is seasoning the chicken. Oh, I should probably take this off of here now.
This needs to marinate.
And
so
it needs to marinate.
We'll put a little smoked salt, some pepper, our onions, our grated ginger, some scallions, and we're using some green seasoning.
What is it called?
Just green seasoning. Everybody makes their green seasoning a little different. There's a core base, but you know.
It says mix and blender.
Mix and blender, Walker's wood. But for right now, we are marinating the chicken before we cook it, so it can be seasoned up, and you know. So we're gonna use some pimento berries, but they're usually, you might not see pimento berries in the store. But just know it's whole allspice. That's how it is. Oh, powdered seasoning dish. Why is it so hard? All right, onion, scallion, garlic. Okay, garlic. Yeah, it's hard. You don't gotta do a fine thing. It could be coarse. Like this. This smells great. Yeah. Put in the pot. We can use it whole.
This is fine enough?
Yeah. It's just to marinate. It's gonna flavor it. It's fine. We want it coarse. Get all the flavor out. Or else we could have just used some ground allspice. We don't want that, honey.
I just used our can opener, our electric one, for the first time ever. And it's actually pretty cool. I'm definitely going to need one of those when I get older, because
Cooking with
can
washing
openers
drink.
be struggling.
Pour the
I don't know
bits
why.
into
I just cannot
1 cup
do
of
it
water.
half the time. Okay, Mom is starting the rice. What were your measurements?
All right, so I'm using 1 cup of water, a half a can of coconut milk.
Yeah.
A little more than half the can. Now, you can use dried beans or canned beans. Traditionally, use dried beans, let them soak for at least 2 hours, but overnight is better. For time's sake, we're going to use canned beans. Make sure you rinse them thoroughly. Like, rinse them. I'm going to add that to the pot. We're going to get some of our scallions and chop up a little more.
I can do it.
Yeah, please.
How low do you usually cut it?
You can cut up all of that. You can do some for finishing too. Smell it.
This green onion is tearing my eyes up. I don't know why. Usually I'm fine.
Green onion doesn't usually.
It burns. Okay. There's an onion in the sink. Will that will that cause it? I don't know. It's one singular pizza onion, or it's because it's on the stove. Usually, if you're cooking onion, this. Mom says the beans are boiling, so we're about to add our rice.
Oh, they can't hear me.
Yeah, no, you don't have your mic.
Okay.
I'll keep your mic close to you.
I'm adding the rice in. Now make sure your rice has been washed as many times as it takes for the water to be clear. You want to get all of that starch off for the best texture.
I gotta learn how to make rice. For real. And not in a bag. Mom is now currently adding some basmati rice to the other rice mixture because she has more liquid. Right?
Yeah, I have more liquid than it called for. So
Than it called for.
I'm going to add some basmati because you want a little basmati and some regular long grain.
They can't hear you. They might have picked up some of it.
Starting the cabbage. I saute my cabbage in a skillet. I do not boil cabbage. No. Saute only. So I just added a little more, probably 3/4 of a stick of butter in my skillet. We're gonna let that melt down. All this cabbage is gonna cook down. And then we're gonna add some garlic, some peppers. I got red and orange peppers. Some complete seasoning, a little salt. I like to use smoked salt, you know. Give it a little, yeah. And a little pepper, and that's it. Very, very, very simple. Oh, and your pimento berries for the flavor.
Throughout this whole cooking process,
Hmm?
I got 2 mics on, talking to the people. I haven't really been doing anything. I've opened a couple cans. I've cut green onions, and that's about it.
You can't stop slicing up that plantain.
Okay, I'm gonna start slicing the plantain. Okay, I'm setting up to start cutting up the plantain. What knife is best for this?
A straight or large knife.
Know your knife things. I don't, but you should. And then you cut it. I know how to do this.
Hold on. What, do you want me to cut the first slice?
Yes. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, so I've been told that you want to pick some of the darkest ones. Ah!
You alright?
No, I was struggling to take off the thing. The top. I will have this peeled eventually. Then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, this is what Mom just showed me to do. First of all, she said just cut the top. That would have been helpful. And then she said score it.
Score down the center. Not prissy. You got in the skin?
I think
Because you want to peel it back. Yes, it's alright. Get in there. Alright. Now you'll be able to peel it back. We like our plantain fried and sweet, so you want it very, very much ripe. It should be black.
So would it be ripe or past ripe?
Some people, on a lot of Puerto Rican food, their plantain is not as ripe because they eat it more savory and treat it like a potato. We like ours sweet
Okay.
and fried. So you see I'm cutting on a diagonal? We want nice and long, not too thick, you know?
Yeah.
Nice long pieces. Cut it on a diagonal like that.
So my problem lies. You just cut it right-handed. So I'm going to have to turn it.
Do what you gotta do.
And,
Do what you gotta do. Look at that. Struggle is really real here. The struggle is real. Oh, we started. Okay. All right, I am getting ready to start the chicken. What you want to do first is burn your curry mix. Not burn. Not burning the curry. It's really browning it to bring out the flavors. But on the island, we'll say bun your curry.
I wanted to show y'all this wrinkly bean, but I'm really struggling. It looks so gross.
We're just gonna get them nice and toasty.
I made cabbage once. It came out pretty good.
Getting ready to add our marinated chicken. Again, that chicken has been marinating in curry powder, onion, garlic, scallions, ginger, a little chicken bouillon base, smoked salt, pepper, complete seasoning, and some crushed pimento berries. We'll add this to the pan. We want this to brown on both sides before we do anything else.
Smells great in here. You want a little ASMR? Huh? I'm giving them an ASMR. How you feel about that? I'm just tossing some cabbage right now. Talking into 2 mics. Why not? Who would stop me? All of them?
Yep.
Why are they so red?
They're starting to burn because they've been cut and in the air.
It has not been that long ago. You need to calm down.
We added some coconut milk and a little water after the chicken brown, just enough to cover the chicken, and then you add your potatoes. You want just enough liquid to cover the chicken and make a tube amount of gravy. We like gravy. Was that tender? Okay.
I'm about to cover the pot for 25 minutes.
25
to
to
let the
30
potatoes
minutes.
get nice and
Tender.
You
want to cover it, let it sit on like a medium heat until the potatoes get tender. That's when you know everything's cooked. Because our chicken is already cooked. You know, we want the chicken to be falling apart and shredded and get a bite in every bite. We're going to let the potatoes get tender.
The rice is now done as well. Tasting delicious. Actually.
You want to start frying plantain?
Yeah. I'm making a mess. I'm not sure I'm satisfied with the lighting. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The amount of salt.
Potatoes are tender enough.
It's due.
It is?
It's hot. That's great.